What's really important for students to get and to understand is that this Office suite used as a tool can be used in any business, in any profession, in any career, no matter where you're going. It can give you that edge that you wouldn't otherwise have, because everything is a business. Everything boils down to using these tools, and decision making is everywhere, and that's why business is really everywhere. In this series, we decided to really think about their learning from the standpoint of 4 different P's: prepare, practice, problem solve, and then perform. You start using the prepare to prepare themselves to use the tool, and then they start practicing the tool, and that we're taking them through each of these different steps so that by the time they can perform, they can actually perform it on their own from scratch in a real decision-making kind of way.
So when we were approaching this series, we made a conscious decision to make sure that the structure that we developed was something that would allow students to be able to synthesize those skills over multiple chapters, or what we're calling workshops. Here's where our modular structure comes in. Every module is made up of 2 workshops. And at the end of every module is a module capstone section, which allows instructors to be able to test students on the skills that they've learned across those 2 workshops.
So we decided to use Resort and Spa. It's actually Painted Paradise. And the idea being that there's lots of facets to Painted Paradise. Painted Paradise isn't just one business. It's got lots of little businesses inside of it, and ones that are frankly kind of fun to think about, playing golf or going to a spa, going on vacation at the hotel, going out to eat at a fancy restaurant. All of those things are fun and captivating, and at the same time expose students to just about any business model that you would see in a bricks and mortar type of store. Because now we can spend less page time, less time of the student investing in learning about the global scenario, and more about learning how to apply these tools very effectively. Yet, at the same time, they still get the variety. I have been working closely with the authors and making sure that we are really using my IT lab and the connection with that to its fullest potential. It allows the students to get very quick feedback on whether or not they've done something right. And that kind of quick turnaround enables you to then write your problems in a different way, in a way that you remove the scaffolding. You don't tell them how to do things, and you can start removing that quicker and actually achieve the higher levels of learning through the use of greater-like systems like my IT lab.
So we build the content specifically to match the content in your office, and that gives students a much better experience. The 2 really work together as a fully integrated system. And for instructors, the benefit is that they can be assured that every skill covered in their book is also covered in my IT lab.
Because of Amy's experience in utilizing greater technologies previously, she has the capability to formulate those projects in such a way where we can take that project and simply embed it inside of our greater engine the appropriate way. This relates to the second point, which is the fact that the seamless integration is that much tighter. This allows for a long-term student success pattern based on what they're seeing inside the textbook and what they're doing and working inside of my IT lab.
Over the past year, as series editor, I've been working really hard on this new series, and I truly believe that this product could be the answer for your classroom, and not only that, but the key to helping your students change their perspective on how Office can really be a tool to give them an edge and a competitive advantage for their own personal lives and career. And because of all those, I really think that your Office is your answer.